How can QR codes optimize maintenance management? Spending time with inaccurate information, rework, team miscommunication, and limited machine access are some of the problems maintenance managers have to deal with every day. Now imagine, how much time could you save if you had easy access to all the information you need about your assets and work orders? Everything available online at your fingertips. You have probably seen a QR code before, haven't you? Nowadays, maintenance management uses this tool for inventory management, stock control, tracking asset information, and many other things. This feature is available on TracOS. All you have to do is open up the camera app and point your phone at the code. In seconds, it will open up the TRACTIAN app, showing you the asset details that corresponds to that code. With this feature, you can view the entire operation history and all procedures performed on the asset. Open up a work order for it and view its metrics. Imagine this situation. You are the manager of a large industrial plant with several assets that are located far from the maintenance room and far from one another. While walking through the plant, you come across a leak in one equipment. In normal situations, you would need to walk all the way back, talk to other team members, fill out a work order, and wait until the problem is solved. A slow, manual, and faulty process. With TracOS, when you come across the leak, all you have to do is point your camera at the QR code and add the work order to our app. Those responsible for the work order will be automatically notified on their phones, and you will be able to track the status of the activity in real time until the failure gets fixed. There is no reason for maintenance managers to be wasting time with manual processes anymore. Schedule a demo to learn more about the best CMMS on the market.